Is your Ecovacs D-Bot T8 IV acting more like a confused turtle than a cutting-edge cleaning machine? If your robot is spinning in circles, failing to climb over rugs, or drifting like it's in a high-stakes street race, your bot isn't losing its mind, it's losing its grip. Think of it like the tires on your car. Over time, that grippy tread wears down until it's as smooth as a bowling ball. Without that traction, your D-Bot loses its footing. If you ignore these bald tires, your robot will start missing spots, getting stuck on thin rugs, or even scuffing your expensive floors. It's a major hit to cleaning efficiency that turns your high-tech helper into an expensive paperweight. But don't panic. RoboCare has the solution to get your robot back on track. While some might try a messy DIY hack, we take a professional precision approach. Our certified technicians have years of specialized experience with the Ecovacs brand, and we know the T8 IV's internal architecture inside and out. We understand that precision traction is the foundation of effective cleaning. Replacing wheel rubber isn't just about slapping on a new piece of plastic. It's about restoring factory-level grip. Our team uses specialized tools to carefully dismantle the drive assembly, ensuring the sensitive internal motors and sensors remain perfectly calibrated. We identify the specific wear patterns, deep clean the wheel housing, and install genuine component. We don't just fix it, we restore the climbing and navigation power your D-Bot had on day one. We take pride in restoring your robot to its peak performance. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. Check out that traction. This D-Bot T8 IEV is back to peak performance. No more slipping, no more getting stuck, just 100% cleaning efficiency. Ready to get your robot back on track? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.